Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with DTube Steam It and Steam. How is everyone doing today? It's Monday here and it's cloudy. Autumn is definitely coming in a couple of days, but I was hoping for a longer summer, which is just wishful thinking because I live in the north and it's always early winter for us. Anyways, today I have a marriage between Mexican dish and Indonesian sauce. What I have is tamale. The filling is vegetables. And why is it a marriage? I would like to call this dish as satay tamale instead just tamale and peanut sauce. Well, yeah, that's the thing. Why is it a marriage? Because I serve my tamale with peanut sauce. Can you see it? I know that satay is normally grilled meat in skewers that is served with peanut sauce in many Southeast Asian countries. But since I love serving the tamale with peanut sauce, I thought maybe I could name it as satay tamale. So yeah, check out the video. I will show you how to make the tamale, the dough, and how to wrap it. And also how to make the spicy and sweet peanut sauce, which is great for your satay, real satay, grilled meat, or grilled chicken or grilled lamb. But this is tamale with vegetable filling and peanut sauce. I truly like tamale. In my household, we make it at least once a month. We like Mexican food so much, or Mexican inspired food. But for tamale, we have similar dish as well in Indonesia. We call it lepet jagung, and I believe the Malaysian also have similar dish. Sometimes actually almost like a cake because most of the time it's sweet, instead savory like the Mexican tamale. But the difference is our tamale lepet jagung not just sweet, but it's actually using the corn kernel instead Masa Harina. Anyways, check out the video. I'll show you this tamale, satay tamale with peanut sauce. Thanks for watching. Bye. You start everything. You want to soften your corn husk. This is by soaking it for about half hour with lukewarm or hot water until softened. For the filling, I have 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of diced Spanish onion, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We're just gonna stir fry it until it's fragrant, and then we're gonna add ready to use 3-color coleslaw. So basically we're gonna stir fry the coleslaw. I said it was minced garlic, but it's actually diced. Sorry about that. Sometimes my mouth and my brain, they are not synchronized. So we're just gonna saute the garlic and onion until fragrant. I use the whole bag of this 3-color of coleslaw, so it has white cabbage, purple cabbage, and carrot slices. We're just gonna stir fry it until they're softened or tender. And you're gonna season it with salt and sugar and MSG if you want it, or you can use bouillon powder, like vegetable bouillon powder, and maybe a little bit of cumin. I also added a little bit of fennel Now that the veggies are softened, we're gonna set the veggies aside to cool down before we make the tamales. So for the dough, you'll be needing 3 cups of Masa Harina, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of baking powder, and then we'll be adding 3 cups of vegetable broth and half cup of vegetable oil. You may be able to hear my boys, they are right behind me. The oldest is saying shh while the other one keeps talking. I'm using a stand-up mixer for this one to mix it, but you can use whisk or handheld mixer, it's fine, whichever you have. It's much easier with mixer when you can use mixer instead of whisk. Just gonna give it a little whisk for the dry ingredients before adding the wet ingredients. I have added the milk and a cup of broth for now, and then I'm gonna add the rest of the broth into the mixing bowl. The vegetable broth I have today, the broth is not clear or see-through, it's not clear, unlike the other brand I'm using. It's fine as well. It's gonna affect the color of your tamales, but it's not a big deal. You might wanna, most likely you have to scrape the sides of your mixture so they would mix nicely. Our tamale dough is ready, and we just gonna push it down so it falls back to the mixing bowl. And then I'm gonna show you how to wrap this tamale dough and the filling using the corn husk. So you start making the tamale. Once the dough or batter is ready and the filling, bring a pot of water to boil and preheat your steamer. Now to make the tamales, you want to prepare, I already put some of the filling here just to show you. You want to prepare a bowl of clean water. This is to help you to keep your hand from being sticky when you're touching the tamale. So I'm going to show you. First, wet your clean hand and grab a little of the dough. Then you want to spread it on your softened corn husk like so. If it's needed, just dip your your fingers in the water and then fill up. You can use spoon, or it's quicker with hand for me. Fill up with the filling. You don't need a lot of filling, and then grab a little bit of dough just to cover the top slightly. Then you want to fold it like this and another side, and then bring the tail up here. Some people like to cover the top as well, like fold it down, but this will work as well. And then you want to tie with a piece of corn husk. There you go. Well, I have to tie tighter. I'm gonna show you one more time. So pick up a clean and soften corn husk. Dip your finger in the tamale, in the water, and then spread some tamale dough like so, and then add a little bit filling. You don't even have to add more, just do so that the inside of the filling will be covered, and pull up and tie. Simple. That the steamer is preheated, we're gonna steam the tamales for about 30 to 40 minutes. I'll see you once they're cooked and nicely done. Now that our tamales are ready, we're just gonna take them out to cool them a bit before we serve them. You can serve your tamales with your favorite salsa or any kind of hot sauce you like, but this time I'm serving my vegetable tamales with peanut sauce. To make the peanut sauce, I am using peanut butter powder. This is fatless. It's called PB2, powdered peanut butter, and it is 1 cup. And I have is a 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of, you want to use like bouillon powder, vegetable flavor, or anything that is equal to the vegetable powder. I am using a brand that is called Vegeta for this one. And here I have 4 bird's eye chili slices, and you want to add hot boiling water, about 1 cup, and then you want to also add tamarind juice. I made the tamarind juice by squeezing this tamarind pulp into hot boiling water, just a little bit of hot boiling water. And then later on, once you mix it, you want to taste it, and if it's needed, you can add a squirt or 2 lemon juice. So now we're gonna mix it. Indonesian likes their dishes sweet and spicy, and we use a lot of peanut sauce, especially for our satay, meat skewer, grilled meat on skewers. And this peanut sauce is also good for veggie salad or fruit salad. We use peanut sauce in many of our dishes. Your peanut sauce is ready. Just don't forget your tamarind juice and your lemon juice. Tamarind juice. Mix it. Give it a little taste. If it's needed, you can add lemon juice. Just for a kick. A little bit of kick. Now I'm gonna show you the tamales served with this peanut sauce. I'll show you the inside. It's just vegetable, but it's equally good as the counterpart with meat, pork, beef, or chicken. Thanks for watching.